Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I have a fantastic new product for all you folks out there that has smart home and looking to spruce up your door lock. When I mean spruce up, I mean really make your door lock smart. And what I mean by that is this is the next generation of smart door lock. This is a product made by Wyze, and you folks already know I'm a big investor in Wyze. I love their product. All the product, I think the product make fantastic product, affordable. And this is the Wyze door lock with a fingerprint sensor. You can actually use your fingerprint to log into your door. It has fingerprint as well as a keypad, and it works with any deadbolt lock for front doors, which is pretty cool. There's an easy to set up device. It integrates directly into the Wyze app, and in terms of accessory here, it is IP5 rated for outdoor, compatible with most doors. You actually see a history of who uses the device when they scan your fingerprint, as well as there's an anti-peep keypad. There's an emergency USB-C in case the battery is dying, and it does have multiple ways of opening the door, so you're not only reliant on the door lock, you can use the app to open the door. So pretty cool. I love the packaging on this. It's pretty small and compact. So let's open this up and see what's inside the packaging. But this is the next generation of smart door lock, which uses your fingerprint. I remember back in the days we went from keys to using an app to using a sensor, and now we're going into the category of fingerprint. Next will be a door lock that scans your eyes. I'm waiting for that to drop, but that will be the future of smart door lock. So let's check this out, see what's inside it. So what I love about this door lock here, it's very durable. This piece here, that's the front facing piece on the door, it's very heavy, but it does have the water support. So these are raised keypads, and it protects against water damages. With the fingerprint login, I'm curious to see how that works if you put water and try to log in with your fingerprint, or if you're wearing gloves. I'm pretty sure you have to take that off to log in. So that's pretty cool. The actual design, I love the black, matte black texture to it, which is pretty cool. It stands out on the door. It does have this false plate here. If you pop this open, it gives you access to the battery, which is very interesting. So this is the piece that's inside of the door, so you don't have to worry about security on this piece here. And then you have this plate here, which goes on the actual door before this piece gets added. It's a little bit on the bulky side. That's one thing I did notice. Even though it's bulky, it is elegant because of the stylish look of this door lock. I do love this style. I highly recommend the Wyze door lock. This is better than the previous generation, and the fact that it has that fingerprint login just really takes it up a notch. I think this is going to be one of their top seller for door lock. Also, what I like about Wyze is that they did include all the pieces that you need, even if you need to replace your existing faceplate for your door lock or your existing pieces of your door lock. They provide that for you inside the box, so that is pretty cool. Everything is included, and it's all right there for setup. Great instruction guide. Recommend you check out the instruction before you set this up. But other than that, great piece. Highly recommend this door lock. Beside that, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.